Hi everyone! So yes, today we have another mystery bundle video. Since this is like becoming a thing now on my channel, I have made a mystery bundle playlist. So if you guys are interested in just like watching all the bundle videos that I've made, you can watch them all in one playlist, and I will be adding to it as I film more of these videos. So today we have a mystery style bundle from Depop. This person actually reached out to me on Instagram and they just wanted to send me one. They said I didn't have to make a review or anything like that, but of course I wanted to make one anyways and show you guys what I got. And she offered to give me a discount, so her bundles are normally $40, but I only paid $25. It's gonna be a curated style bundle. It won't have a specific theme. I will leave a screen cap of our conversation that we had. Okay, and then she did email me a kind of like portfolio of like her inspiration and the outfits and stuff like that, so I will show you guys that after I open the box because I want it to be a surprise. Alright, so here is the box and it is heavy. Whew! I am so excited about this. And she even put her little card right here. I really like that. I wonder if she designed that herself. I like that artwork. Okay, so here is the box. So here's what we got. I see some like corduroy, which is exciting. Okay, so the little bag had some candy in it. As you guys can see, it has some candy and it has little flower clips. These are adorable. Okay, so the first item we have is this cream turtleneck. Ooh, I really like this. Oh, it's so soft. I love that. And you could barely see the brand on it, so I'm not sure where it came from, but nice little comfortable top. Okay, I'm gonna grab this corduroy thing, whatever this is. So let's see. Wow, this is so pretty. It's this corduroy mini skirt. Oh, I love that, especially for fall. Oh. Brand is Bentley Air Buckle. It's a brand, you guys. Oh my god, this thing is like stuffed. I think I'm just gonna grab another clothing piece. So I see this. Okay, so we have this. Oh, this is so cool. It's like a geometric button-up long sleeve shirt, and it's kind of like a sheer a little bit. What an interesting shirt. I love the pattern on this. Wow, this is so cool. And then there is the brand, you guys. Next, oh my gosh, this is so cool. What? Another like geometric, very like 80s, 90s colorful button-up, and y'all know I love these funky button-up shirts, so this is another really cool one to have. The tag is cut off. Definitely a vintage piece for sure. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm getting a lot of really awesome vintage gems. Okay, so next, wow, look at these. There's some blue plaid shorts. Wow, these are so nice. And then there is the tag. Brand is Rev Up. I love plaid shorts, and these are really cool, like vintage find for sure. I love it. Okay, and there's one more pair of shorts, and oh, these are nice. They're like in a lovely kind of like baby blue, and they're J. Crew brand. Yeah, I don't have any shorts in this like baby blue, so this is a nice little pastel springy summery piece. All right, so she also gave me this like baseball little mini bag. This is my first mini bag, but it's in such a like interesting print. I think that's really cute, and it feels like it has more stuff in it. Okay, so ooh, so we have this like metallic kind of midi skirt. I love midi skirts. Like I'm totally like getting more into midi skirts. So this is a nice little addition. I could definitely wear this like at a night out, or even probably dress it casually with like a little graphic tee, you know? And there's a brand, it's Layless. Okay, so next we have like another funky piece. Whoa, that is so interesting. It's like a zip up jacket. Whoa, but it's in this really interesting print. Again, very like 60s, 70s. I love this. I love the colors as well. And I love funky prints. Yes, I'm so excited. And there's the brand. It's Bon Worth. Last, we have this button-up shirt, and it's in this houndstooth pattern. Yeah, she definitely really knew that I'm into like funky patterns and a lot of patterns, so that's really nice that she gave me a lot of pattern pieces. And this is also a nice shirt. I could either layer with it or I could even wear it to work. And there's no brand on it. I think the tag was cut off, but definitely feels like a nice quality piece. Okay, so she added a little note. So it just listed like my likes and how she tried to match them. And she said, "You are so inspirational. I love your aesthetic. Hope to mail you more items in the future." So the J. Crew purple shorts, apparently they were new with tags. I didn't see that, but wow, that's really awesome. Okay, so she did email me a little like slideshow showing off the item. She did pair a couple of outfits together, so I will show you guys that now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try on all the items and I'll put a couple outfits together for you guys. Here's that cream turtleneck and that corduroy skirt. And this is one of the outfits that she kind of put together in her vision. And this is honestly super cute and adorable. She was saying how it was kind of like dark, like cottagecore vibes, which now I definitely see. Like, especially when I put the whole outfit together, I put on my like cottagecore shoes and some socks, and now I definitely like kind of get that. Like, I imagine myself sitting and sewing by the window in my cottage and just looking all cute, and it's all cold. I don't know, like that's what I imagine. I love corduroy and I love the like paisley floral print on it. Yes, I definitely love this outfit. So here's the second outfit that she put together. So this is with that pastel button-up vintage shirt and then the J. Crew shorts that are new with tags. And these shorts, by the way, are super comfortable and like they're very stretchy. So that's pretty cool. And also I think it's really sweet that she like found matching shorts with the shirt. Like, this is a color that's like you don't see very often, and like the fact that she was able to like match an outfit together with this color, pretty nice. And yeah, I definitely love this outfit as well. This is like totally something that I would wear regularly. Yeah, no complaints. I love a good vintage, colorful, funky shirt, so I'm very happy. I love the way everything fits on me, and yeah, super duper cute. Okay, you guys, so here are the plaid shorts, and I rolled them up because they were long, and wow, these are so awesome too. I love the plaid print on it. They're awesome. They fit me comfortably, and another cute pair of shorts that I can have for summer. Alright guys, so just y'all can get an idea. So the two outfits that I just tried on and those plaid shorts, I think those were all like what I would normally get in like a standard bundle. And then the rest of these are just like bonus items that she just added on. The rest of these items that I'm gonna try on are all extras. So just to show you guys like how generous she was with my items, just it's so sweet. And like I seriously I never expect anything so like amazing, and then just like y'all just like blow me away with these bundles. Anyways, okay, so first item we have is that like geometric brown button-up shirt, and it is a little sheer. Yeah, and this is like how I would style it, just like, you know, a button-up skirt, give it that like 70s vibe. I feel like it just goes with the fall season, you know, the earth tones. And yes, very happy with this as well. I love the way it fits. Okay, so here's the next top, and it's this houndstooth button-up shirt, and again, some more fall vibes, more fall inspiration for you. I love the structure of this top. I love a good button up. When it gets colder, I'd probably put like a little jacket over, maybe like a tan jacket or a little corduroy jacket. Yeah, something like that. And then with my Doc Martens, be a cute look. Here is that kind of 60s interesting printed jacket, and this is how I imagine I would style it. Like, since this jacket is like a statement on its own, I figured I kind of just, you know, keep it a little more simple. So I decided to try that turtleneck again, and I paired it with these velvet flare pants. Yeah, just really cool, you know, groovy little outfit I got. Okay, y'all, so final item, and it's this like silvery, shiny, ribbed midi skirt. Silver is like another color that I'm kind of intimidated by and I don't normally style. But like this outfit I'm definitely feeling, and I'm really glad I tried it out. Yeah, it's nice to have just something different that, you know, I could try out. And again, I'm just getting really into midi skirts, so I'm glad to have another one in my wardrobe. And what I did was I just paired it with this thrifted graphic tee that just has a smiley face on it, just like a really simple but like fun outfit. And then I just went for like my white boots, you know, make it look all put together and nice. But yeah, and it fits me nicely, so I'm very happy with this as well, even if it's something that's totally different. I really like it, so great experience. I'll show you guys the little bag that she included. It's so cute. It's like a little baseball handbag. I'm not a handbag person, but this is a really interesting bag. It's pretty cute and just like an interesting print. So that was very nice of her. So to conclude, this was another very exciting, very awesome bundle. I think she did really good with just like giving me a lot of awesome vintage pieces, a lot of funky pieces that I definitely enjoy. And let me tell you guys who the seller is. So their name is Anna, and their Depop is Swagger Dagger Jagger, which is a funny name. I like that name. So they are still selling mystery style bundles. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, you guys can check out her Depop. And before I say goodbye, you guys, I just want to say a lot of these bundles I've been getting, they're just really like spectacular, and they always just like blow me away with the amount of care. So I just want to put it out there that like I do not ever expect, you know, sellers to be this generous, and hopefully you do the same. For anyone out there who's, you know, buying bundles for yourself, don't expect like a spectacular bundle. And it also just goes to show that there's so many generous people out there that just make these style bundles and put a lot of care into them and time and money. So I just really appreciate it, and hopefully, you know, you guys are the same way. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and Anna, thank you so much for this bundle. This was fantastic, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay positive and always be creative. See you next time. Bye!